Well, hi there, everybody. Good Friday morning, too. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Not too bad yesterday. We started to warm it back up to around normal. The winds were still a bit of an issue out there. Well, today looks even nicer out there. In fact, the next couple of days could be some of the nicest weather we're going to see for quite some time here, as there are indications that much colder air may try to settle in as we move towards the second half of the month here. So let's kind of take a look at the next couple of days here. Again, very quiet today. Clear, cold conditions out there this morning. A sunny and cool day, but you could almost say mild out there, as temperatures are going to be above normal, about a good 5 to 10 degrees above normal in the upper 50s and lower 60s. Not quite as cold tonight, but still chilly. Clear skies, maybe some patchy light fog out towards the west. And then as we head into tomorrow, a sunny and mild day, a lot of 60s out there. It's going to be a little on the breezy side with those south and southwest winds, but still, like I said, enjoy your Saturday, because Saturday may end up being one of the nicest days we'll see for a while. Now, highs later on today, we're looking at mid to upper 50s up towards the north with lots of sunshine. Not too much wind. Out to the west, we're looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 50s to around 60 degrees. Upper 50s around the Tri-Cities, lower to mid 60s in north central Kansas. And off towards the east, we're looking at temps anywhere between about the upper 50s and the lower 60s. It looks pretty good out there this afternoon. And this evening, got games, people trying to qualify, teams trying to qualify for the state championship in Memorial Stadium in about a week and a half. Aurora and McCook, always a good game, a good rivalry between those two games. This game's out in McCook tonight at 7 o'clock, 44 to start things off, 38 by the end of the game. Wilbur Claytonia taking on Columbus SCOTUS at 7 o'clock in a Class C1 semifinal game. Low 40s to start, upper 30s by the end of the game. And just a little bit warmer here in the Hastings area. Aquinas Catholic will be taking on Hastings St. Cecilia at 7 o'clock in that Class C2 matchup here for the right to go to the state championships. Some good games tonight. Tomorrow we're hoping for a great game for the Huskers as well. We're looking at coming off a big win on last Saturday and playing a game which they're favored in, so hopefully they can play well. Of course, both teams have terrible passing defenses, so there could be a lot of passing, but the big story about tomorrow's weather is going to be the wind there at High Point Solutions Stadium. Could be a very blustery game with winds of 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting over 25 miles per hour, so it could be a little blustery. That could affect the passing game. Temperature-wise, looking at 50s for the most part, but at least no precipitation to talk about with this game. So the next couple of days, nice and mild here around here in Nebraska, and then we'll still keep it mild on Sunday and Monday. A little cloudier on Sunday. We're going to see increasing clouds, and by Sunday night to Monday, a little bit of patchy drizzle or even some light rain out there, especially as we head into Monday. The farther east you go, the better chance you'll have of seeing that. And as we get towards Monday night, a much better chance of showers and thunder showers starting to work in, especially after midnight on Monday night and continuing right into your Tuesday. It's going to be a windy one on Tuesday, so a wind-driven rain. Could be a pretty soaking rain out there for many of us Monday night and into Tuesday, and maybe even into Tuesday night. It looks like it should stay warm enough to stay mostly liquid precipitation in the Tri-Cities, at least until we get towards Tuesday night. Out west, though, we are going to be talking about the chances of maybe some snow and maybe, just maybe, a bigger snow event here that we're going to have to watch for out to the west. I would say especially west of an Ainsworth to Lexington line, to a McCook line. Those are the areas we'll have to watch the closest out there. Again, we may mix in some snow on Tuesday night into Wednesday here in the Tri-Cities before the storm system clears out. We will be colder for the middle of next week, back down into the 40s for highs. And then there are signs that an Arctic front is going to come through on Thursday night, and with that maybe some snow flurries to follow, and it could get much colder towards the end of next week and that following weekend. And as I mentioned, there's kind of signs of colder air settling in here as we move down the road. So there you go. Not a lot to talk about the next couple of days, but next week could be busy again as we remain in this active weather pattern. And again, enjoy the mild weather while it's here, because it may not stick around too much longer. So there is your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.